So if you are getting this problem, then I'm gonna show you the best and effective method to fix this problem. So I was trying to install an application here and I got the same problem. So same procedure is applied for the all Android devices, and this is the common problem in Android devices. So first of all, you need to go on phone settings and you need to search for the applications. So as you can see here, apps, then you need to search for Google Play services. After that, you need to tap on storage and you need to clear its cache. So after that, you need to search for one application, and that is Google Play Store. Just search for Google Play Store. Then you need to tap on storage and clear the data of the Play Store, and then you need to open Play Store. So open your Play Store and search for the app. So it may take time because we had just cleared the data, so the Play Store might be slower than before. So as a proof, I'll show you this application will download or not. So thanks for watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.